Hey everyone, this is Pilar at Body Surfing Yoga, and today we're talking about Costa Rican typical traditional food that we surfing here and that we love. At Body Surfing Yoga, we believe food is our medicine. In terms of yoga, food is our prana. It's a way we get the energy and everything that nurtures our bodies and our hearts. I'm gonna talk about my favorite meal, which is a very traditional one, Gallo Pinto, which is a combination of rice and beans mixed, but it has its science. You gotta try Fanny's one and you'll be in love for the rest of your life. But of course, the Gallo Pinto, we combine it with eggs, scrambled or fried, and fried plantain, which brings the sweetness into the dish. You can also add tortilla, cheese, natilla, which is like a sour cream. In a more modern twist, it can also have avocado. That's how you make it vegan. It's absolutely delicious, very filling as well. By the way, something funny about the term Gallo Pinto, that it is translated as a spotted rooster. Don't ask me why, I don't know why that term is like that. It's just mixed rice and beans. So the second dish is Patacones. I love them. They can be a vegan option, a vegetarian option. They are double fried, and you can have it with beans, with guacamole, and if you want a lighter version, pico de gallo. Third option, Casado, which I believe it translates as a married man. Back in old times, the wife used to make the meal and wrap it up for the man when he go to work, and that's why it's called Casado. It's very filling too, as many Costa Rican dishes, and it's a combination of rice and beans. Rice and beans is in everything we make. Rice and beans, and then some picadillo, which I love, which is chopped veggies and cooked in many different ways. And then it might have some type of meat. It could be chicken or red meat or fish, and a salad. And then sweet plantain. So it's quite big, quite filling, quite delicious. Number 4, the ceviche, which is more traditional, especially on the coast, and it brings back memories of when I was a kid. It was so common for us to go on a weekend to drive all the way to the coast to have a fresh, delicious ceviche. Normally it's fish cooked on lemon, so it would be the light option of the menu. But also you can have a vegetarian one. They make it with plantain, and it's equally delicious. You can explore around and you'll see many variations of the dishes I talked about and many more. A few tips and cooking secrets we hold as Costa Rican. First of all, you're gonna hear a lot about salsa lisano. Try it, it's very unique. You're never gonna taste something similar. We added too many things, to the picadillos, to the rice and beans. It gives flavor to everything. Second of all, if you are new to beans and you don't eat that often, things can get really gassy. So I suggest you soak the beans for at least overnight before you cook them. Always as a Costa Rican, I'm very faithful to cooking the beans as instead of buying them from a can. That's a no-no in Costa Rica. So try to cook the beans and add some nice herbs like maybe some garlic or some oregano. Yummy. So the last tip I'm gonna leave you with, and that comes from my grandmother and mother, is that cook with a lot of love. It enhances the flavor of every meal. I hope you come down to Bodhi and try some Costa Rican dishes all around the area. You're gonna love it.